This is my prototype. I've actually made a little brainstorming on how I wanted to make my own website. I wanted to make a website that could improve the the sportsmanship of teens, students, and other type of people. My mainly focus was making a site that you could sign into, and then the website provided you with events and other type of stuff. If you can see about four main sports, there was basketball, football, hockey, and tennis, and these are the main sports that you play here in the Netherlands. And my idea was to make a website that could help interact with people of the same age and play the sport you actually love or like to play. Was my initial idea of my website. So I made it in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This was my final website, and this is what I actually wanted on the. As you saw on my prototype, it's not the same, but it's mainly the colors and the layout of my website. I have a login and a sign up, of course. If you don't have an account, you can sign up and then log in into your account. It works because I have a database. And it's Firebase, and it stores all the data of the of the users right here. And as you can see, I have already 2 users. Here, and if you click on one of the sports, you can choose 2 options: events or normal play. If you choose to play in an event, you can choose on 3 different events. This event, if the first event, as you can see on April 10th, 16th, if this event happens, it will update it. I have to do it manually because it doesn't have it isn't on my database. But if you sign up, it gives you an event name. As you can see on this here, you can see the name, the date, and the time. You put it all the way here, and then you put your name, and if you have other members, you can put it also there, and if you are alone, you just say alone. Then you sign up, and it will automatically send to an email I already made, and then with the email you signed up to, I will send you an email back, and it will and I will say if you're accepted or not, and when and how many people there are going to be there. Also, it has an important thing where you have to bring an ID card or passport or something to show that you're the real person. I've already then you have the normal play. The normal play, you have 3 maps or 3 locations. Each location you can see on the maps. If you click on the maps button, you can also sign up. The sign up is connected to my database. If you choose on football, let's say on this location, this time, and let's say the 24th of March, and you say show count, you can see how many people are signed in, and then you can sign in, and then it will automatically sign you in. You've signed up, and it will register it to my database. As you can see, it is on my database. Well, yeah, it's on my database. I also made about SportsSphere. It's just explaining a typical thing or the main thing about my website. I've made a more about us, which just says more about my website and my idea of the website and what you can do with it. I've also made the staff button. You can see how many people there are and which people are in the team. If you want to, you can also join us. This is just information on how and why you should join us and what you actually do. I also have a facts page where you can see how many or just the main questions you have and it's responded by one of the staff members of my of my page, of my team. And then I have a comment section where it criticizes or actually makes me improve more about my site. Just just mainly just people saying about my site. Then I have a contact where you can see support and the phone number. It's it's mainly this. I have a popular where you can see events, all the events, and yeah, everything is here. You can see just a popular page where you can see the main things people want to do. Yeah, this is my page. Any questions?
What would you say was the biggest challenge you faced during this project?
My biggest challenge was actually the database. It's the most difficult part of my of this process. I didn't really know how to make a database. I didn't even know what a database was, so I actually had to look into it, how it works, how I could make it, and I made it work. So now I know it.
Nice.
What part of the project are you most proud of?
The database. The database was actually the most difficult, as I said, and it was also I'm most proud of that part because it's actually a difficult part of the page, and I made it. That's just the main part I liked about it.
What skills did you develop during this project?
So mainly it's knowing how to code JavaScript now, because I didn't know how to JavaScript or to use JavaScript. Also HTML and CSS because I didn't have any knowledge about this. But mainly are those things. I'm making a page also, and how I could make a page if I wanted to in the future. But mainly it's JavaScript and HTML and CSS.
If you had more time to work on your project, is there something that you would like to implement extra, or maybe fix or make better that you already have?
So mainly the thing that I don't like about my website is the sign up button for my events. And also some things don't actually work how I want it. Like as you can see here on this thing here, it's very junky, and you can see like here a bar on the next board. I don't like it. Some things like the title, many things in CSS I don't like, but if I had more time I would make this I would make it more, let's say, beautiful, and I would make other things like making the popular things in the database, and if someone clicks on that sport it automatically puts it here because many people click it. I would implement more database in my website because database actually helps more develop and make the site better. So that's the two things I would do.
Thank you.
So what